Hey, what's up guys, Rado here, and today I'm gonna take you on an epic ride. This ride here, this is absolutely favorite thing to ride in California. And when it rains, like right now you see the dirt is all wet, this is the best riding you can get in SoCal, period. And when you think about California, I think many of you, if you don't know California well, you might think about LA, Hollywood and San Diego, but there's so much more to California. Look at all these vast hills, and it's just so open and so remote. It kind of looks like from the old western movies. You can expect buffaloes running through those fields. It's just so beautiful. The endless fields, the endless hills, up and downs, beautiful wet dirt, a little bit sandy dirt, and it's just an epic place to ride. I always come here every year when it rains in the winter. I don't come here very often, it's a little bit further away from my house, but when I come I just enjoy it, and man, I'm just like daydreaming about this riding weeks after I go there. So I am riding my 2017 KTM 300 XC. It's a pretty much stock bike. I have Arcatech head on that thing. I have Keen carburetor, and I'm running also MX-12 Dunlop scoop tire, which is really good. It's hooking really well on this wet dirt. In front of me is Jay Clark from Dirt Bike TV. He's on his KTM 350 XCF that he turned into a gas, but it is the same thing, right? And he's also running that same tire MX-12. And behind me we can also see our Aussie friend Omar. He's on Husky TE TPI, I think it's 2020. So we are having fun, three of us, ripping these hills, and I just want to invite you, come with me for this ride. I've seen some comments lately, you guys asking me to post some of the riding footage, so here we go. This is absolutely best place to ride in California. Alright, so I think I'm gonna shut up and let you enjoy the raw two-stroke ripping on some wet hills. Have fun, guys.
I like these little steep downhills. You kind of have to slide your rear. Sometimes let your gear slow you down. Sometimes slide it, and then go on a front brake. like this surfing, sand surfing. Slide your rear, you can go a little bit sideways, not too much. Nice. Woohoo! Yeah. Cool. We did a little cheating, switchbacks. We made it. Let's see if we can catch them. I really like to follow someone. Jay is a good guy to follow. He has good speed, and then our GoPro looks so much better, right?
Alright my friends, and this is wrapping up my epic ride. We've been riding for about 4 or 5 hours. I tried to pick like the best sections so I can share it with you guys. And also I wasn't behind Jay all the time, and it looks so much better when I'm right behind him, so I picked those sections where I'm right on his rear tire. I think it looks really good on a GoPro. So if you stick till the end of this video, if you are listening to this right now, thanks a lot, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And again, let me know below in the comments how you like this area. It's a little bit different California that you might know from movies or from some other places. This is just open space. We call it high desert, and it's just a beautiful place to ride, and I really enjoy it. Alright my friends, well that's about it for today. Let me know below in the comments, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.